Dear students, Jai Hind. Today we will study quadratic equation. Equations mean equal to 0 is must. If you remove equal to 0, it will be polynomial. Any polynomial equated to 0 becomes equation. Quadratic means highest power of variable is 2, not less than 2, not more than 2. ax square plus bx plus c is standard form of a quadratic equation in one variable x. A, B, C are constants, real numbers, complex numbers, anything. Numbers. A, B, C are constants, that is numbers. X is variable. This is single variable x. Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. It is also quadratic equation, but in double variable, two variable, x and y. See here, 2 power, 1 power, 0 power. This is standard form. 2 power of x, 2 power of y. Combined power is 2. 1 power of x, 1 power of y. Added together gives 2 power. Combined power of x, y is 2. 2 power, 2 power, 2 power, 1 power, 1 power, 0 power. This is standard form of quadratic equation in two variable. But in your course, quadratic equation in one variable is given, not two variable. Quadratic equation in two variable will be given in class 11th. Now you are required to find solution of this quadratic equation. You can find solution by factorizing or using Sridhar Acharya rule. First start factorization method. To factorize this quadratic, put a into c is equal to m into n such that m plus n is equal to b or m minus n is equal to b. Let us take an example. Before start factorization, check given expressions are quadratic or not. Your one question is given as x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Second is given as 2x square minus 3 root 2 x plus 6 equal to 0. Third is given as 2x square minus 3 equal to 0. Fourth is given as x plus 1 upon x equal to x square. Fifth is given as x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 9 by 4. Okay. This is clearly quadratic equation. This resembles with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a equal to 1, b equal to minus 5, c equal to 3. This also quadratic. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 3 root 2, c is equal to 6. This also quadratic ax square plus bx plus c, where a is equal to 2, b equal to 0, c equal to -3. If any term is absent in polynomial or equation, coefficient of that term is considered as 0. Like this, 2x square minus 3 equal to 0 will be 2x square minus 0 minus 3 equal to 0 implies 2x square minus 0x minus 3 equal to 0. A is 2, b is 0, a is 2, b is 0, c is minus 3. It is also quadratic. But this implies if you simplify this expression, you will receive x square plus 1 is equal to x cube. Highest power become 3, therefore is not a quadratic. Similarly, this is also not quadratic. Simplify your equations. If it reduces in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then it will be quadratic. Take another example. 3x square plus root 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is also not quadratic because this can be written as 3x square plus root 5 into x power half. Root x means x power half plus 4. In any polynomial or equation, fractional power or negative power cannot be taken. If you remove this half power by squaring whole equation, you will get power 4. That is not quadratic. Therefore, it is not a quadratic equation. After that, we will try to find solution of quadratic equation by factorization method. In ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, Gaurav Kumar. In this, put a into c is equal to m into n such that m plus n is equal to b or m minus n is equal to b. For example, you have a question 4x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. Here value of a is 4, value of c is 9. 4 into 9 is equal to 36. 4 plus 9 is 13 and 9 minus 4 is 5. Both are not present here. So therefore put this in the form 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now is equal to 6 into 6. Now 6 plus 6 become 12. Ignore minus sign. So therefore, this can be taken. This implies 4x square minus 6x plus 9 equal to 0. This implies in this part 2x is common. Take 2x common. You will get 2x minus 3 minus in this portion 3 is common. You will get 2x minus 3 equal to 0. In these two terms, 2x minus 3 is common. Take 2x minus 3 common. You will get 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This implies either this 0 or this 0 because both are same. Therefore, we will get 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Implies x is equal to 3 by 2. But this is quadratic. Therefore, we will write answer as 3 by 2, 3 by 2. Every quadratic equation always has two roots, equal or unequal, real or complex. Therefore, you will write answer as 3 by 2, 3 by 2, repeated roots. Take another example. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here a into c is root 2 into 5 root 2. Root 2 into root 2 become 2 is equal to 5 into 2. And 5 plus 2 is 7 given. So this implies root 2x square plus 5x plus 2x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. You can also write this as 5x plus 2x plus 5x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0. This implies you must know that x can be written as root x and root x means x root 2. So this 2 contains 2 root 2. Root 2 into root 2. So from these two terms, x is common and root 2 is common. Here is 2 root 2 into root 2 and is single root 2. Take root 2x common, you will get x plus root 2. Plus from here, take 5 common, x plus root 2 equal to 0. Now, from these two terms, x plus root 2 is common. Take x plus root 2 common. You will get root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This implies x plus root 2 equal to 0 or root 2x plus 5 equal to 0. This implies x equal to minus root 2 or minus 5 by root 2. This is your solution. Thank you.